The Diode Dynamics? The LEDGlow or LEDMIRCY R4? Perhaps the MICTUNING Q1 or the Opt7 Aura? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 Underglow car LED lights available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Underglow car LED lights. The 5th product on this list is the Opt7 Aura Aluminum. Underglow LED lights for cars are increasingly becoming popular because of how cool they look and the visibility they provide, especially at night. While there are so many Underglow car LED lights on the market, the Opt7 Aura Aluminum Underglow light is one that you should look out for. This product has 12-inch rows of 4 pieces of LED light strips with a total of 252 LEDs that will provide optimal brightness and improve your car's aesthetics. The strips have strong adhesives with which you install them on your car, and they can withstand every terrain, bumps, rain, and other factors included. In addition, this product features 16 color options with 5 different settings, allowing you to customize your car's brightness, colors, and glow. Another customizable feature we liked is the SoundSync technology that enables you to connect music and enjoy a finely tuned bass sound. Even better, the LEDs change to the beats of the music. For installation, the kit comes with a car charger adapter that you can plug in and turn on, and 3 custom fuse adapters that allow you to plug your kit directly into your fuse box. These Underglow lights are a solid choice for anyone looking to make their ride stand out at their next car meet. Its pros are: the lights have an aluminum casing and silicone housing protection that enhances their durability. It is easily customizable with multicolor modes and functions, and its adhesive strip setup makes them effortless to fit. However, if you live in a state where you get snow or ice, you'll want to tape up or add a blob of silicone to the connectors to prevent road salt from corroding them. The Opt7 Aura Aluminum is ideal for car owners who want a durable underglow car light with distinctive colors. Up next in 4th place is the MICTUNING Q1. Back in the early 2000s, underglow car lights went from being cool to out of style. However, in recent times, it is quickly making a comeback into the car culture. And it only makes sense if you have them, you should go for the best. These neon and LED light sources give your vehicle a distinctive look and offer various customizable functions that will make your car ride enjoyable for you and passers-by. Most lights on the market have 90-degree beam angles, yet the Q1 provides an ultra-wide viewing angle of 150 degrees because it isn't only for aesthetic purposes, but also enhances visibility at night and in dark spaces. The wirings are extendable up to 11.48 feet, long enough to install anywhere in your car so that it can be used as an interior light, off-road light, reverse light, dome light, chassis light, ambient light, yacht light, auxiliary lighting, and more. The importance of product customizations cannot be overemphasized, and we like that the Q1 doesn't lack this feature in addition to its dual control modes. So, you can either control the lights with the included remote controller or via the MICTUNING app on your mobile device. These control options make it easy to adjust lighting brightness and stroboscopic speed, customize the red, green, blue, and white colors, and timing function, among other setting options. Additionally, the music mode allows the light to change to the rhythm of the song playing. When it comes to a full range of custom options, these may well be your best bet. Its pros are: it comes with a wireless remote controller for quick and easy light management, the connectors are safe, secure, and waterproof, and it has pure bright colors and white light for enhanced visibility. However, when used on large cars, they often require extension cables to reach all 4 corners. The MICTUNING Q1 is suitable for those who want a range of bright multicolor and pure white underglow options for their truck or SUVs. Still haven't found an underglow car LED light that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the LEDGlow Muti-color. Whether you are following the latest car culture trends or you simply want to have ample lighting in and under your car for great visibility and aesthetic purposes, you should settle for only the best products on the market. The LEDGlow Multi-color is a good deal for your truck because it features 6 LED multicolor slime light tubes that fit right under your truck and have a water-resistant design that keeps the tubes and LEDs durable for long-term use. The length of the tubes includes 2 46 inches and 2 24 inches that run along either side of your truck's underbody, and 2 36 inches to be installed in the front and back of your truck, all housing a total of 390 LEDs, which you can control with the included control box and wireless remote controller. Additionally, the remote control offers you some management flexibility to choose among 10 colors, with 2 rainbow modes, 5 adjustable speed levels, 13 unique lighting patterns, scanning, flashing, and sound-activated modes, which we liked more because they work when music plays, so you can really experience the rhythm. So if you want to enjoy a colorful ride with immersive music, the LEDGlow Multi-color lights are a great choice. Plus, the kit comes with all you need for its installation, including mounting brackets, self-tapping screws, zip ties, and an installation guide with detailed instructions. Lastly, there's a 1-year limited warranty plus free lifetime technical support from the manufacturer. Its pros are, you can expand the kit to add more tubes and enhance the lighting of your truck. It comes with different lighting modes for customization, and it is durable and made from high-quality materials, so you shouldn't have any issues, even in rainy seasons. However, some of the setup instructions are difficult to follow. The LEDGlow Multi-color is highly recommended for truck owners that want to transform their vehicle's underbody. The second product on this list is the LEDMIRCY R4. These next lights are suitable for trucks, SUVs, excavators, bulldozers, police command vehicles, rescue vehicles, and other big vehicles, as well as yachts, boats, and even helicopters. The advanced technology used in this product makes it different from the others we previously talked about and gives it an edge over them. For starters, it has an upgraded design that features LED light chips housed in an aluminum casing. This casing is durable, waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, quake-proof, and anti-corrosive, protecting it from adverse weather and harsh environments. We've noticed that instability and slow heat dissipation is common in most underglow car lights, but that is not the case with the LEDMIRCY R4, because they are equipped with built-in resistors and a regulated IC constant current driver circuit that makes it even more stable and durable. Even the LED lights, which are pure white, are resistant to heavy impacts that may come from driving on uneven terrains and provide visibility at a beam viewing angle of 180 degrees. So if you need a reliable set of underglow lights for off-roading, these are the way to go. Its pros are, it has a heavy-duty design that is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including boats and helicopters. The manufacturer offers a 3-year risk-free warranty, and the waterproof die-cast aluminum casing is very durable. However, the most effective way to attach them is to drill holes, which not everyone is comfortable with. The LEDMIRCY R4 is suitable for underglow light enthusiasts who want a product with a wide range of applications. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top underglow car LED lights are the Diode Dynamics RGBW. As an RGBW underglow kit, Diode Dynamics features white LED chips next to the red, green, and blue LEDs. These LEDs can be activated using the RGBW controller. The white chip is also controllable independently, so you can select the bright white color alone. We like that this can be done directly from your phone via the Diode Dynamics mobile app. The app also performs other functions such as creating strobe and fade effects, preset colors, adjusting brightness, camera match, music sync, and more. Every time you turn on the strip, it defaults to the previous color you selected before it went off. While most of the products we discussed may have limitations in how they can be installed and used, the Diode Dynamics RGBW Underglow LED kit provides you with enough flexibility to customize the light however you like. In other words, since the LEDs come in the form of strip lights, you can cut every 3 chips from the strip and reattach them to customize the color to your needs. Furthermore, this product has a universal design for any vehicle with a 12-volt power source. Overall, we found these underglow lights to be the most user-friendly and straightforward to install. That's why they take the top spot today. Its pros are, the high density of LEDs provides a solid light output, It adds a multicolor glow under your vehicle. The barrel-style M8 connectors provide secure connections, and they are easy to fit on any kind of vehicle. However, the light strips lose their IP67 waterproofing property when you cut and reattach them, although this can be remedied relatively easily. The Diode Dynamics RGBW is ideal for car owners who want a flexible multicolor underglow light with cuttable strips for easy installation. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.